Okay, I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration of how our software USB multi-lane works. So first things first, we need to select the content that we require to be duplicated to the USB drives. So just go ahead, click the virtual drive button, and that will open up our virtual drive, which you can copy or paste any files or folders onto. So you just grab your content off of your hard drive, place it in the virtual drive, and then we are set to go. You'll currently notice that there's a green box around drive B and drive E. That's because we're actually running a system with 3 hard drives, but for standard configurations with 1 or 2 hard drives, you'll actually be able to get the full 7 duplications, but for the purpose of this exercise, I'm just going to show you with 6. So we just go ahead and load up USB hub, and you'll notice that drive F has gone green to indicate that there is a drive present on drive F. So go ahead, finish loading up the USB drives. So G is now gone green, and now H. There we go. So that's all 6 USB drives loaded up. You can see that the corresponding drive letters here on the software have all gone green. So now what we do is simply just put a tick in each of the boxes that have changed from yellow to green, obviously discarding the ones that were green to start with. So now we are ready to go. We can just confirm this is in fact the file that we want to copy to the USB drives. We can just hit start. The software will turn blue just to indicate that it's active and running. You'll also see the lights, I'm not sure if you can see, but the lights on the USB drives are flashing to indicate that they're being written to. Okay, so that 47 megabyte test file has been successfully written to drive H, and in the next few seconds you'll see all of the other drives turn green. So the really clever thing about this software is once the software is finished duplicating, it will also verify the data is bit for bit accurate. So what is on the virtual drive will 100% be what is on each USB stick. And if for any manufacturing defects, it can't actually copy all of the data to the drive, it will fail it and it will turn red instead of green. So it gives you a visual representation of exactly which drive has been poorly manufactured or is not working. And it will never be the software that you will have an issue with. It will always be the USB drives. Okay, so this is the actual standard version that just allows you to make copies of the USB drives. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you a quick demo of the professional version that allows you to also format the drives. So you see here you get the option format USB only, copy data only, format USB then copy data. So just quickly select format. It will also give you the option to name the drive, something, an easy identifier to give an indication of the content that's gone onto that drive. We won't do that for the time being. So now what we do is just simply select the drives that require formatting, and then just hit start. The software will go blue again, and then go green once the formatting process is finished. So there you go, just a few seconds. That 47 megabytes worth of data has been completely formatted from the drive, and the drive is fresh as it was when you bought it. So you can see all of those drives have been successfully formatted. So again, the 3 main great things about our software is it's a very compact way to make high-speed duplications that you don't require to have a big bulky USB duplication tower. Obviously the verification is highly essential and a great function because you can be 100% sure that the copies that you've made, the USB sticks that you're sending out or giving out, have exactly the data that you require on them. And the third thing that's good about this software is that if anything does go wrong outside of the warranty period, which is 12 months, all you have to do is buy a new USB hub and then you're set to go. With the USB duplication towers, if things go wrong, you might need firmware replaced or hardware, but in 90% of cases it will have to go back to the manufacturer and could possibly add days and days onto your project's time. But with this, easy, replace your USB hub, restart the software, and you're good to go. So I look forward to receiving your order. Thank you very much for listening.